The plan for the day was simple. Start from Ayutthaya, drive 2 hours out into the countryside, and meet up with some friends for an adventure near the Sarika Waterfall. And so here we are on the ATVs. It's pretty straightforward, a little bit of mud and a lot of fun. But the most interesting thing about this place isn't the track itself, it's the people. Looking around, I realized I'm the only foreigner there. There wasn't some polished attraction designed for tourists. This was just a normal place for Thai people to go with their friends and hang out on a Sunday. And that in itself, it's a kind of freedom. The freedom to step outside of the curated expat bubble and just be part of the real, raw, local life just for a while, just for a day. No special treatment, no tourist prices, no one speaks English, just simple, authentic fun. This was great. One of the staff members stopped us and kindly offered to film this part of the experience for us. And this is how you get to the rafting spot. Look at the people in the back of the pickup truck. And wait for it, it's coming. Wait for it, here. So this part only would give a safety inspector in Europe a heart attack. Because you just hop in the back of the truck. And it's not seen as dangerous, it's seen as the most logical way to get a group of people from point A to point B. It's a mindset of practicality over policy.
มาเลยจ้าพี่ขอถ่ายรูปเร็ว
Down on the river, there aren't separate zones for rafters and swimmers. Everyone is just in it together. We bumped into a few people, they bumped into us. And everyone just laughs. There is no fear of lawsuits, no sense of blame, just a shared understanding that we are all here to have fun and we look out for each other.
Okay, Mike.
ฝรั่งเล่นก่อน
เล่นเปล่า
สไลเดอร์
เขาแรงจังวะ ไปพี่รีบไปก่อนเลย
เจอแน่เลย เอาลุย เจอมาสิ
เกาะหลังนี่ยาวเสื้อกระหม่อมแต่ไม่ถอดเสื้อ
When you get out of the raft, it's on you. If you slip, you are getting wet. The reward is a classic local Thai food stall waiting right at the riverbank. I grab some fresh boiled eggs for a quick protein hit. And then it's time to head back. First, they load the raft onto the roof of the pickup truck. Then comes the part that would never happen back home. We all just climb into the open back for the ride. No seatbelts, no regulations, just trust and common sense. And just like that, in the middle of nowhere, and a woman on a motorbike with a sidecar full of ice cream just pulls up. There's no permit, no designated sale zone, just a person with a small business feeling a need. It's simple, practical, and it works.
No, can leave like it.
No, why?
Go waterfall.
Αρχηγέ, η ουρά σου είναι παράξενη. The farang, 200 baht. No problem. Need to make money from the tourists. Good.
Oh my god นี่นะ
This is probably the best example. These rocks are slippery, and a fall here could lead to a serious injury. But as you see, there are no guardrails, no warning signs, no park rangers, let's say. The unspoken rule is that you are responsible for yourself. You assess your own risk, you know your own limits, and you proceed with awareness. That to me is real freedom. Our day ended here, at the dam, with this incredible view. And just as we arrived, you could feel the weather starting to turn. A perfect end to the trip. We had spent the whole day in a world with fewer rules, climbing rocks at our own risk, riding in the back of a truck, trusting in common sense. It's a world that defaults to freedom over regulation. And then the rain came, and it was a powerful reminder. Because the rain is the one thing you can't control, the one risk you can't regulate away. It's the final lesson that real freedom isn't about avoiding the storm. It's about living a life where you are not afraid to get a little wet. It's about experiencing things raw and true. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.